Are you looking for an intercom that no need to wear heavy helmets or yell at your child under the scorching sun? Instead, you can talk in natural voice to teach your child the skills of riding motorcycle. The one I'm going to recommend is for you. Let's take a look. Let's open the box first. We will start with the intercom unit, and we then have the speaker and the hard tube microphone, button microphone, user manual, clip mounting bracket, 3M tap bracket, USB cable, wrench and screw, Velcro to stay here. Let's look at FX4 Pro main unit again. It's large buttons and a matte surface that looks very textured. Let's go outside and see what it looks like on helmet. It looks nice on helmet, right? Now let's test the sound quality. It works perfect for me.
Ebbene ragazzi, benvenuti in questo nuovo video. Oggi ho il piacere di presentarvi un prodotto che mi è stato fornito da FODSPORTS.
Well, let's use it to connect the phone. Press and hold the function button for about 7 seconds until the LED light alternates between red and blue. Then you can see on your phone that the FODSPORTS FX4 Pro Bluetooth device is created. Click to complete the final pairing. Next, we enter the operation of the voice assistant. Okay, let's test it. Hey Siri, dial 10086.
We had a heavy rain that completely soaked us with water and the intercom too, and the intercom resisted perfectly.
Next, I will show you some basic functions of FX4 Pro. How to turn on the FM function. Long press volume plus button for 3 seconds. How to reject or hang up a call. Hang up, short press the function button to end a phone call. Reject, double click function button. How to clear pairing memory. When device is on, long press volume plus and the volume minus button for 3 seconds. $850 large battery can accompany you throughout your reading journey, even making you forget to charge it. They are fully protected against the light splashes done with IP65 water resistance ratings. FX4 Pro basic function introduction. 4 riders intercom, Bluetooth 5.1, 0.31 mile communication distance, support noise reduction function, 3.5mm jack, micro USB charging port. Install is quick and easy. Range is decent for Bluetooth connection. What really stands out is voice clarity and the lack of ambient noise. There is very little wind noise or exhaust noise transfer through mic. It comes with a 3.5mm jack, which can also be used to teach kids reading skills. For the price, they perform better than expected.